Nice and beautiful. So guys, I'm gonna show you how you can do yourself a detox in water for weight loss and detoxing your body with fresh mint, apple cider vinegar and lemon. Detoxing your body is very, very, very good. All right, so what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna show you exactly what's going to happen, because you can do this one overnight and put it in the fridge and also help you to lose weight. So quickly one, it's a very quick recipe. First of all, apple cider vinegar, which we're going to put a pinch of apple cider vinegar inside of the bottle like this. In the bottle, in the bottle, in the bottle. All right guys. And secondly, just a pinch of cinnamon. Wow, a little bit too much. And then secondly, mint in the bottle. Lemon, which is important. 4 slices of lemon. And this is exactly what I'm talking about. Detoxing and weight loss recipe. All right, so when you make a recipe like this, what you need to do is, especially if you make it fresh in the morning, it's good for you to drink it in the morning before your breakfast, or you can also make it overnight and put it in your fridge. But I would say don't make 4 one time unless you're gonna drink the 4 in one day, which you're not gonna do that. So it's better for you to drink 2 at a day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the day, or if you can drink 1 in the evening, that's even better. Cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, and lemon. And it's a very, very unique recipe and simple to make at home in your kitchen. And I know you guys definitely will love that one. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google+. Get your favorite recipe update and what's happening in the kitchen. And I will see you next time with more recipe similar like these one, guys. It's just amazing.